Today's video is going to be a lot of balls about balls. I know the title says chicken balls, but the butcher was all out, so I'm using chicken breast. Misleading name, right up there with the fabled chicken fingers. You know what I'm saying? Nutrition information such as calories, and there are a lot of them, will be on screen shortly. This dish isn't for fat kids. They've already got enough on their plate. This is fast food, but it's the only fast thing about these kids. We poach the balls in a chicken stock. We prepare chicken for poaching by pounding chicken breasts flat or to an even thickness, then simmering them in the seasoned water for over medium heat without boiling for 10 to 15 minutes until they reach an internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit, 75 Celsius. You might think the second fry is as pointless as taking your pants off to fart, but trust me, it's a lifesaver after eating super spicy curry sauce street food. Comments below if you've not taken your pants off and regretted it. Remove them from the water, allow the poached chicken to cool, then cut them into uniform bite-sized pieces. You need enough depth of oil to submerge your chicken balls. Heat the vegetable oil to 170°C, 340 Fahrenheit, before you make the batter. It's really important, before, because as soon as you add the last batter ingredient, which is the baking soda, it's going to start to lose the gas. Here comes the science. Double frying reduces moisture, enhancing crispiness, intensifies the Maillard reaction for deeper flavour, gelatinizes and then dextrinizes starches for a crispier texture, and limits fat absorption, preventing greasiness. You can use chicken thighs. They are cheaper and tastier than breast meat, but you will end up with greasy balls. Nobody likes greasy balls. I feel like I'm completely alone in this, but I'm not too fond of thigh meat and chicken balls. I'm a breast man. Are chicken thighs more expensive than breasts where you are? Comments below me. Chicken thighs are the tastiest part, that's true. Breasts can get dry too easily, becoming wooden, and nobody likes wooden breasts. So, to guarantee perfect texture, we poach and use a thermometer. The poaching also guarantees the chicken is cooked safely. There's no need to cut these chicken balls in half checking for pinkness, and you will not have to worry about food safety. Myths about monosodium glutamate, aka MSG, have been debunked as racially motivated against the Chinese community. MSG contains 1/3 of the sodium salt, and some cardiologists recommend it for heart patients to reduce sodium intake. It's carbs that cause high blood pressure, not salt. Pro tip, a dash of MSG keeps the doctor away. It is the love dust of food. Try putting a dash in the batter next time. MSG is culinary cocaine. Who doesn't love marching powder? MSG. Chicken balls first appeared in Ireland in the 50s. 50 years later, the first spice bag was born. Video linked above. If you like my video, comment, like, share and subscribe to get future notifications and my undying appreciation. It'll help my channel grow. And I really want it to grow. Grower, not a shower. Haha. So the first fry is to set up the batter, then a second fry, hotter fry to finish. Pro tip, accurate temperature control is the key to a non-greasy chicken ball. Get it wrong and they'll soak up the oil like a sponge, and nobody enjoys that. After poaching, the chicken is already perfectly cooked and moist. We are simply enrobing the delicious cooked chicken in tasty golden brown batter. Additional tips. Use soda water, also known as carbonated tap water or still water, for extra bubbles, but it's completely unnecessary because you follow my advice, right? And you have the oil hot before you make your batter. We're going to double cook. Once you've done the first cook, the second's as easy as shaking babies and kissing hands. So for the first fry, use a toothpick. Dip the cooked chicken pieces in the batter to avoid fingerprints. Now hold it partially submerged in the hot oil until bubbling. Release when it sets up, then fry it for 2 minutes. Remove everything from the oil and increase the oil temperature. Wait a while, then fry 2 minutes at 190 or 375 Fahrenheit, or until golden brown. Did you know, dipping your balls into gravy, it's not illegal, but it is frowned upon like masturbating on an airplane. Live, laugh, self-love, and stay off the no-fly list, guys. Catch you next week.